This is a song inspired by a neighbor's vehicle, to say the least. It's called Little Miss Muffler. Little Miss Muffler's coming home. You can hear her from miles away. Her man just don't say nothing at all, 'cause he's getting late. Little Miss Muffler is coming home. Little Miss Muffler home with a dent. What the world work? Either way, we know when. Every time, every move, Little Miss Muffler is coming home. Little Miss Muffler's coming home. We can hear her from miles away. Her man smiles, he never says a thing, 'cause he's getting late. Little Miss Muffler is coming home. Little Miss Muffler home from a dent, went to school or work. Either way, we know when. Every time, every turn, Little Miss Muffler is coming home. Little Miss Muffler's coming home. We can hear her from miles away. Her man smiles and never says a thing, 'cause he's getting late. Little Miss Muffler is coming home. Little Miss Muffler home from a dent, went to school or work. Either way, we know when. Every time, every turn,